This is the world's largest flying Confederate flag. It's a 139-foot tall flagpole. Today, they're flying the first national Confederate flag, referred to as the Stars and Bars. You can see from this sign that this site is owned by the Sons of Confederate Veterans. They own the property, they own the flag. If anybody doesn't like it, they can't say you have to remove it because it's on private property. I would ask you to consider joining the Sons of Confederate Veterans. If you want to see more of this, I would suggest that you join the Sons of Confederate Veterans. www.scv.org. Of course, nowadays you don't have to put in the www, just go to scv.org. That is I-4 right there. There are supposed to be about 200,000 people a day that drive by I-4 and see the world's largest flying Confederate flag every day. Just go to scv.org, look at links, find a camp by you.